Music, a universal language, wields a power that transcends borders, cultures, and generations, touching every soul in unique ways. It's an enchanting symphony of vocals and instrumentals, each component contributing to the overall melody. Yet the true magic lies in the ability to separate these elements, to isolate the vocals from the instrumentals. This separation allows for greater appreciation of each part and opens up new possibilities for remixes, karaoke tracks, and more. However, the process of separating vocals and instrumentals presents a complex challenge. Imagine attempting to extract individual colors from a finished painting. It's almost as intricate as that. Songs are usually mixed in a way that blends vocals and instruments into a single, inseparable track. This fusion creates a harmonious sound, but it also makes it difficult to isolate individual components. Discover how Blackcoffer's team of highly skilled professionals leverage cutting-edge technologies to empower organizations and drive their success. From strategic planning to implementation, Blackcoffer is dedicated to delivering exceptional IT consulting services tailored to the unique needs of each client. Enter the world of modern technology, where problems find their solutions in the most innovative ways. The key to this particular conundrum lies in a Python library known as Spleeter. Developed by Deezer, Spleeter is a source separation library that uses pre-trained models to separate different elements of a song. Spleeter is incredibly versatile, offering various flavors of separation, including 2 stems for vocals and accompaniment, and up to 5 stems for vocals, drums, bass, piano, and others. Its 2 and 4 stems models perform exceptionally well on the MustDB dataset. Moreover, Spleeter is impressively fast, capable of separating audio files up to 100 times faster than real-time when run on a GPU. So, what does all this mean in practice? Simply put, thanks to Spleeter and Python, it's now possible to input a Hindi song and receive 2 separate audio files as output, one for vocals and one for instrumentals. This breakthrough is a game-changer for music enthusiasts, producers, and artists alike, offering new avenues for creativity and appreciation. To summarize, the challenge of separating vocals and instrumentals, once a complex problem, finds its solution in the innovative use of Python and the Spleeter library. This technology allows for the separation of different elements of a song, creating new opportunities for music creation and appreciation. It's a testament to the power of modern technology and its ability to transform the world of music in ways previously unimaginable. In the hands of the right team, such as the experts at Blackcoffer, this technology can be used to incredible effect, showcasing the potential of music when vocals and instrumentals can be appreciated individually. As we move forward, it's exciting to imagine the new possibilities this innovation will bring to the world of music. Join us on this journey to uncover how Blackcoffer has earned its reputation as a trusted partner in the industry, providing unmatched solutions that elevate businesses to new heights. Don't miss out on the opportunity to gain invaluable insights and discover the possibilities that await with Blackcoffer. Like and share this video to spread the word about Blackcoffer's global expertise and industry-leading standards. Together, let's celebrate the achievements of this remarkable IT consulting firm and inspire others to reach for their highest potential.